What's up, guys? Well, we're at it again. We are back at the 17.5 mile spot. A little misty, a little muggy. Birds have been here for a minute trying to let some of this stuff dissipate. Everybody did make it home from the last toss. The one light checkered hen made it home later in the day. So, we're going to release them again. Hopefully they have the same results. Young bird season over here starts at the third week of August, so trying to get these guys out there. Really try not to push them too hard. Working with two sets of birds at the same time. Got these guys in the crate. There's 3 more back at the house that's going with these guys, but they're 2 are too young, and one of them's got a broken leg that he's been healing up for the past couple of weeks. So, yeah. Gotta wait for the traffic to calm down. These birds have been sitting here, and we're gonna let them go. Alright, sounds clear to me. Come on. Let's see where they come out at. Ah, there they are. Gonna hang out long enough for them to get out of sight, and gonna head to the house. Well, they're back up on the other side of them trees. Oh, no, they're not. Still circling. Good luck, birds. Alright, guys, see you at the house. Alright, so just got home. Nobody up on the roof. We released the birds at 6:35. It is 6:55 now, so we're gonna go in the backyard and wait. So we got the little broken leg male up here on the landing board. Bebop is inside. We got the 2 little Mona Lisa Wolverines out flying around, and one of the B team somehow they got in there with them, so went ahead and let her out with the rest of them. I've seen them. Oh, there's one of them right there. Probably can't see it, but they're out here flying around. They've been out for over an hour, so these little guys are getting strong. Alright, guys, we'll be back when the birds come in. 7:15. That's not too bad. Let's check them out. They don't look like they're panting too bad. Not too bad. But Looks like we're missing a couple. 3 grizzles, 1 red, 2 blacks. One just landed on the roof. Huh. Alright, let's get them in and count them. Alright, so we did something a little bit different last night. We gave the A-team a little bit extra feed before sundown. I wanted to see the difference between keeping them on the 1 ounce of food per day per bird thing that I've been doing with them, and seeing what happens when I give them just a little bit more food. And it's telling me that it's making these guys a little bit heavier, a little bit slower, so we're going to stick with the 1 ounce of food per day with them. Still got 4 of these guys out. Got the 1 first round Mona Lisa bird right there. Let's see who this is up here on the roof. Looks like broken leg. You can see by his limp. The other little Mona Lisa bird. It's funny. Oops. That one right there. And these guys right here are siblings. Same mom, different dad. So the one on the left is a Mona Lisa Thomas 6. And the red one is a Mona Lisa HVR. I don't know. These guys kind of seem like they're a little bit more stubborn than the rest. Alright, let's get these guys in and let the B team out.